Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is one of those episodes I actually don't want to make because I think I've sold my Harley. Cue the intro. So here's the thing. I'm currently travelling the world leg by leg on my Honda monkey bike called Ashworth. Now, a few things have happened in my personal life that means I've not been able to earn the money that I'd like to be able to fund some of the legs of the adventure. But I will get back to making all that happen very, very soon. But in the meantime, I've got to make some choices because I've got some commitments on the channel here in the UK. I need the right tool for the job, but I also need to free up some money. So I made a decision to put my Harley Davidson Sportster, I'm gutted about because it sounds awesome and makes me feel badass, up for sale. Just to free some money for a few months, and then hopefully I can find another beast to add to the garage, if I can afford to. But it's sold. To be honest, it's sold. And I'm a little bit kind of like, I might have a bike to ride for like 6 weeks at a time. And for me, that's a hard thing to do, because one of the things I love to do when I get any time off of my full-time job is to jump on a bike and go for a ride. And I'm quite gutted. But I've got to prepare this bike for the new owner, hopefully if they turn up and they buy it, because I've sold it in principle. But anyway, I've got to strip off all of my stuff, my quad lock, all of my ram mounts, all of my electrics, my heated gear, that's everything on this bike, and have it ready to go. I'm just gutted. I don't really want to sell it. Damn. Well, that is all of my heated vest electricals off, my quad lock phone charger, wireless chargers off, and my RAM mounts off. And the only thing I've got to do really now is, just before the person comes to pick it up, is give it one last polish. But I thought, for the final time on the channel, shall we fire up the Harley? Shall we give it a little bit of rev to hear that engine, that 883 engine for the final time? Because I'm going to miss it. It's something about this bike that you just sit on and you go, I feel cool. But final time. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, like gutted nervous. It's weird. Right. Here we go. Final time. Oh. Well, this is going to be tough. To be honest with you, it's going to be tough because I don't want to sell it. I want to have a collection of motorcycles throughout the years on this channel. But I've got to make some life choices and I've got to get some money back in the bank. So the Harley's going to have to go. What's gutting? And I can't believe I'm saying that, because in between legs of my world adventure, there's about 5 to 6 weeks worth of time. And I ride all the time, and not having anything in this garage is going to be gutting. But I have to do it. I have to make that choice. I have to get the funds in there. Now, in a few months' time, there is the patron meet where we're going to be riding across Wales, a patron and channel member exclusive meet. So I will be picking something up for then. I'd like to pick myself up a nice, newish BMW GS to take on that. But I think the reality on the finances is that I'll pick something up. So something will fill this space. It's just what? It's just what's going to fill it. In the meantime, I have to make life choices to be able to do what I want to do. I'm gutted. So ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honour to own this Harley Sportster. It's been fun, and I'm going to miss it. And I'm a little bit gutted. But I've got to make the right choices.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.